So, good day. Nandito na tayo sa last na queuing theory. So, wherein meron tayong MM1 with finite source. So, gagamitin natin ng POM-QM para ma-solve. So, here's our POM-QM. So, gagamitin natin dito, hindi itong finite system size. Gagamitin natin is yung MM1 with finite population. So, tatanungin na natin ng BPI, use cost, and click OK. So, arrival rate per customer. Yung arrival rate per customer natin is itong 0.02 na lambda. So, yan sa 0.02. Service rate is itong mu na 0.1. Of servers is 1. Population size is yung M natin na 5. And server cost is 10. And then waiting cost is 60. So parang may mali lang. May mali pala. So yung dito arrival rate per customer is yung service rate is 0.1 lang. Dapat 0.1 lang to. Mali. Sorry. So solve ulit. Yan. So arrival average utilization rate is 72. So P natin is ito 71. So, siguro si 92 na. Kasi 0.71.715 yun. So, next is 91. So, LQ is 0.71. Ito, 70.94. 71 round off. L is 1.42. L 1.4245. WQ is 9.92. So, 9.92 na W. 19.92 na W. 19.92. Probability that the system is empty or PO. Which is ito. PO natin. 28.2849 or 28.49%. The effective arrival rate is 0.7. So, tingnan natin yung sa table probabilities. Yan. Sa graph of probabilities. So, yes. What happened? So, yan. Pababa na siya dito. Sa ating table of probabilities. So, commutative probabilities. Paangat yan. And baliktaran. Commutative. Pababa. So, that's all for ating queuing theory. So, thank you, man.